Angelina Massey, the founder of Freestyle Business Partner and developer of the Freestyle Tidal Wave program, a 7-module step-by-step guide to create a business that gives you freedom, structure, and success. Your personal success. Design your business to serve your ideal life rather than the other way around. Module 2, Commitment and Momentum. We move through the program methodically, completing each stage before advancing to the next. Success comes from commitment, structure, and accountability. Module 3, Business Vision. You structure your business for success by setting a clear vision that helps you and your team stay focused, inspired, and accountable, ensuring every decision contributes to long-term success. Module 4, Team Culture. A well-defined culture aligns core values, expectations, and behaviours to create a workplace that is productive, innovative, and supportive. Module 5, Choose your winning business strategy. Define the long-term direction of your company by choosing your winning strategy that gives your company a competitive edge in the market. Module 6, Your Business Objectives and Operational Planning. In this session, you will transform your business goals into an actionable business framework. It is through operational excellence that your company ensures it is efficient, productive, and profitable, enabling sustainable business growth. Module 7, Performance. By implementing a systematic process of assessment and improvement, businesses can break free from short-term issues and build a long-term strategy for success. The Freestyle Tidal Wave program is a digital business course where you work at your own pace, defining your vision, strategic direction, culture, structure, and continuous performance improvement with templates and examples to assist you. Create your winning strategy with the Freestyle Tidal Wave program on www.freestylebusinesspartner.com. We are so confident with our program that we offer all our customers a money-back guarantee.